Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just put a short video together today, just showing you how to put this 2010 BMW X5 into neutral. If you've got an issue with the auto box, it's jammed in the park, or you've got an issue with the battery flat and you can't take it out of the park position. Now the first method, it depends on which type it's got. The first one I'll just show you where this one isn't used on this one, but I'll show you where it is and how you do it. And if you need to use this tool, if you just come into the boot, just where the shelf would be, underneath there, and the tool will sit in that position there. So we'll just show you how you use this type if yours is the same as this one. So it's got this style lever on it, and obviously if you've got an issue with the battery, it's flat, you can't take it out of the park position, so you can't move the car. If you need to tow it or move it or anything like that, you're basically going to need to put it into neutral. So but where it's located, if you just pull this centre trim out there, you can just see we've got a little circle plate in there with a square drive in it. Basically you need to use the tool just to take the drive out, take the plate out. I'll do that quick. Take it out, and because this model doesn't use this, it looks different basically. If yours is the type that uses this style, basically under here you'll see a little slot with like a little key bit in, so you can slot your key in there, turn that, take that out, and then there's a different drive in there that you'll turn to put it into neutral. So obviously this model here, 2010 one, doesn't actually use that type. So some of them had it on, some didn't. So this one's a little bit trickier to do. It's not hard, to be fair, but you have to do it from underneath the car, that's all. So I'll just show you the second method. Basically you need to come underneath the car from the left hand side. I'm just going to jack it up. You don't have to jack it up, it'll make it a little bit easier for me filming it. Just if you want to do it, just to give you a little bit more room as well. If you are going to jack it up, these BMWs have a little square pad underneath as a jacking point, so I'll just jack it up quick and then show you how you put it into neutral. It's just coming underneath the car. I've just took this tray down already, but you need to just lower this little tray in the middle. It only has a few screws in it that you can just take out. If you just come slightly more under, just towards the front there, you'll just see there's like an Allen key just out here, and basically you need a 5mm Allen key. You can use it on a little sort of impact driver or on a ratchet, and basically all you need to do is just screw that Allen key in. That just simply pries against that pad there, and when it's up, that'll put it into the neutral position so that you can move the car. So I'll just put that, wind that in quick and just show you when it's in position. Just simply wind it up. You don't need to do it tight or anything, just wind it up till it's bottomed out, and you can just see that's pushed that lever right up. With that in the position there, the car will be in neutral, so you can tow it, pull it on a ramp, or whatever you need to do. So we just thought I'd share the video if anyone needed to know how to do it. And it was just simply a ratchet, 5mm Allen key on it. So hope the video helped. If it did, give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.